What's up, guys? Welcome to my video. Today we open the Legos. And the other one is blue, like this one. And we got that green one. And we got the red one. Okay, we'll open it. Open the blue one first. And we got a shield and a sword and the guy.
Wow!
Whoa! He got Gila. He's so cool. And we'll open the next one. We'll put him right here. Look at the diamond sword. That's super weird. And we got that thing, his shirt, he wearing, and we got that shield and the denon, and we got the guy. You need to do like this. Will he give up again? This one's so cool. And guys, comment what your favorite. My favorite is this one. Now we open the green one. And now he's going up and 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 back. And he got green. And we got the guy. Yeah! We got him. We got that shield. We'll get you up. Randy, get off the phone. Look it! He got the shield and look at the guy. We'll open the last one. What? I'm gonna do it for it. You want the trash? Girl, all the boys, and the last one is the girl, is the red. Look at the red one. And you can put him right here, and we got that rock thingy. And guys, who your favorite? And thank you so much, and I'm gonna see you in the next video. And also, grab in the bell. Bye. Peace. Okay, guys, let's check the news. Yeah, sure. Maybe someone did something. Yeah, sure. Oh, the new
today. It's too bad, guys. Stay in your home and be safe.
This is how the two men look like.
These are also their vehicles. If you have any information about this, please call us.
Wheel. Yes. What are you talking about? What guy's side? Yeah. Oh my God, it's a good day. I hope not a bad day. That'll be so scared. Ah, someone help me! What are you doing, babies? Yeah. No, something help me! Wait, you hear something? Yeah, where? Maybe someone need to get out the toilet. We need to help him. I'ma hit you in the mouth, you dangerous. But I'm gonna hit you with my sword. But I'm gonna hit you with my thing. But I'm gonna hit you with me. Come on. We'll go to home.
He said open it.
Open it. Oh, I gotta open it.
I told you to open it, but you're not opening it.
I'm just a kid when it's a nightmare.
Oh my god.
Oh my. Wait, this one is all different on the ice. Oh, okay.